Now, Klenty tells it helps you to unleash AI across every stage, every sales channel. It helps you unleash AI across every step in your outreach process. So Klenty is the only sales engagement platform that pairs human reps with AI to dramatically improve seller output, eliminate non-selling tasks, and coach reps. You can schedule a demo today. Now, from cold calls to email follow-up to coaching one-on-ones, design and accelerate all spelling workflows or selling workflows with AI. So, what is a sales engagement platform designed to help sales teams automate and scale their outreach efforts across multiple channels like email, phone, and social media. For the pros, Klenty excels in automating repetitive tasks, offering strong multi-channel capabilities such as emails, calls, LinkedIn, and stuff like that, and providing advanced personalization features to tailor messages efficiently and effectively. It integrates well with popular CRMs, streamlining workflows and data management. So it integrates with Pipedrive, HubSpot, Zoho, and the rest. You can see it there. Many users also highlight its responsive customer support and transparent pricing. This is the pricing. They say it is very transparent, which is good. And when it comes to the some users report a learning curve due to the platform's extensive features. While offering multiple channels, some find the depth of features like LinkedIn automation less comprehensive compared to dedicated tools. There can also be occasional glitches or performance issues. But despite these major drawbacks, LinkedIn remains a powerful tool for sales teams looking to enhance productivity and personalize their outreach at scale, ultimately helping to book more meetings and close more deals. So, hope you found this video helpful.